Hey internet, today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video for you. It is Lavender Fields, which, I don't know, I feel like every time I open a Simply Gilded box, I get so like, I look at the theme and I'm like, oh my gosh, this has to be my favorite theme because it's so beautiful. And then another one comes and then I feel exactly the same way. And I have no idea how she manages to do it every single month. Like, I feel like there's got to be a month where I'm just like, you know what, this is meh. But I'm constantly impressed and loving it. So let's just get straight into the unboxing. That's my card and let's just pick them off as we go. So we have the stickers here, which, you know what, I'm going to take these out because I feel like every month when I do unboxings and I don't take them out of the plastic sleeves, these no one's actually commented and said, oh, I wish you would take them out so we could have a better look. But I just feel like, what's the point of the unboxing if I don't take them out so you can see things clearly? So these are the stickers. It's a beautiful rose gold foiling. Oh, I love this color theme. It's amazing. And then we have a little reading is magic. Oh, I'd agree with that. I've been doing a lot of reading lately, but you can see the foiling in the card as well. Then this, what is this? I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a little plastic pouch. And I think this is another plastic pouch. So you can stick them into the insides of, say, a planner or against some paper or cardboard, and you can just make a little plastic pouch which you could store like cards in or receipts. But yeah, they kind of come like this and they're just like that size. Really handy. I have something similar in my Midori planners, but they come fitted for the Midori, and they're really great at just like putting receipts or like little pieces of paper that you just kind of want to carry with you but don't have a place to put it. We have a notebook. Let's see if it is okay. It's plain paper this week. Why do I keep saying this week? This month. This plain paper this month. And there's like a French quote at the back which I cannot read because I don't know how to read French. But it's beautiful. Then, oh, we have a little notebook, like a little to-do list notepad. That's so adorable. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, I might not take this part off because I'm not sure when I'll use it, but I'll slip it down so you can kind of see. It's all foiled as well. It's beautiful. It is a little bit, how do you say, busy, so I'm struggling to, like, in person I can see the numbers a little clearer, but on camera it feels like I can't see the numbers as well. Oh, we have like a little magnet. Oh, that's so cute. I love the bunny magnet. And then, oh, we've got one of these already. I think, no, sorry, we don't have one of these, but I got this something similar in a previous box, this one. So they're kind of like little charms that you can hang off stuff. And this is like a purple one. I kind of like this one more. This one just seems a little bit more like higher quality. This one's a little bit more on the cheaper end. So I like this one. And then we have a little pouch, canvas pouch, which will probably have all the washi tape, which is true. I love that she's using pouches instead of the plastic wraps for the washi tape now, because I just find these so useful. They're just such a nice size. You can use them for makeup or carrying washi tape. So this is the washi tape. I'm gonna go ahead and open these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. These are the washi tape. The colors are so beautiful. I am in love. I actually don't really have a clear concept as to what all of them are. Like, I'm not really sure what this is. It's more of a floral, maybe it's books underneath, like a bookshelf, a floral bookshelf with some foiling. You've got your bows, which she has in like every single pack because I think that's kind of like her signature washi design. And these are more floral designs, just like random florals. And these are more like checkered, but all of them have the same rose gold foiling. But yeah, that's everything in this month's Simply Gilded box for August for Lavender Fields. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Tell me what you guys think. I really love this unboxing. Purple and pink is not usually the colors I love, but I really love this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.